Hello everyone, this is Deep and today we will discuss a LeetCode question 2490, that is circular distance. So here we are given a sentence. A sentence is a list of words separated by a single space with no leading and trailing spaces. So a sentence start with a alphabets, that is capital or lowercase letter, and the words are separated by spaces. Further, our sentence will or the words will only consist of upper and lower case English letters. Further, these both letters are considered different or treated as different. And now, for a sentence to be circular, these two conditions must satisfy. That is, the last character of a word should be equal to first character of next word. So, for example, here the last character of this word one, LeetCode, is equal to first character of this exercise E. Okay. So this has to be satisfied for each word. There is as here and as here. So similarly, it should satisfy for all the words in a sentence. The second thing to note here is the last character of the last word should be equal to the first character of the first word. That is, for this sentence, the last character is small l and the first character of the first word is also small l. So this sentence is a circular sentence. If this condition is not satisfied, if any of this one condition, then we would simply return false. Let's take let's see the first test case. Here this small is equal to this e, small s is equal to this s, then same for the d, and the last l is equal to the first l. Yeah, so this is true. Now here this e is equal to this e, then it's also true. Here in the third test case, this first letter is capital L, whereas the last letter of the sentence is small l. So this contradicts our condition and thus we return false. So this is a simple question. We will just brute force all for each and every word and check for the condition. Let me set my ID to default. Okay. So first let me check for a sentence. That is the 0th character and the sentence nth character. Let me take the size as n. If it is not equal, then I will simply return false. That is yes, false. We have to return a boolean, either true or false. If this is equal, then I will check for further condition, like for I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So to separate these two words, we will be having a space. So if sentence of I equals to space, character space, then I will check for of I minus 1. So if sentence of I minus 1 equal to sentence of I plus 1, that is, for if there is a space here, then I will check for this previous character, that is this e, and its next character, that is the second e. If these both are equal, then I would continue, else I would just simply return false. So anywhere if this condition fails, then I would simply return false from there, and at the end I will simply return true. So let me now try to run this code. Okay, the spelling mistake. Okay, now let me try to submit this. Okay, so our code got submitted. So here it was a simple logic where we just check both the condition, and if everything satisfied, then we would return true, and if at any point the condition is violated, then we would simply return false. So I hope you guys understood this question. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.